This case adopts the deployment of FutureATT SMT intelligent warehousing system. Achieve automated and intelligent material storage, handling, and management. The operator places the material tray onto the string rods and calls the roller AGV via PDA. The roller AGV transports the string rods to the string rod feeding mechanism and returns the empty string rods. The string rod feeding mechanism automatically feeds materials. Workers place packaged materials into bins, then call roller AGVs via PDA to transport bins to manual loading area. Return empty bins to manual sorting area. Workers take empty pallets and place bagged material reels onto them. CCD automatically verifies material reels against warehousing specification and assigns storage positions. Height measuring mechanism performs automatic height detection. The intelligent silo manipulator transports the material tray to the storage location assigned by the system. Latent AGV delivers empty material trolleys to the outbound area. The intelligent silo manipulator retrieves the material tray in accordance with the outbound instruction and places it onto the lower layer conveyor belt. Outbound material trays from each silo converge to the outbound CCD workstation. CCD automatically identifies the information of outbound material trays. NG material trays float to the NG outlet. Qualified material trays float to the robot loading station. The 6-axis robot places material trays into the storage positions of the mobile material cart. When the work order is completed, the latent AGV transports it to the production line.